I think that one of the worst parts about being a leader is firing a person that you love and care about. Something I had to do recently. And that night, I honestly could not get that much sleep. And so to calm my mind, I kind of just grabbed my phone and started journaling some thoughts. And to help me just kind of process my mind with this. And I shared those thoughts with a couple of my friends who also ran businesses and oversaw a team that they found helpful. So I thought I'd record this so that, if you're watching this and you're on the fence about firing somebody that you love and care about in the business, but you're kind of hesitating from like an emotional place, or you've recently done it and not sure how to process it, or you feel kind of incomplete with it, let me read you what I wrote down. I fired an employee that I loved and cared for. Is this what business is supposed to be? Waking up and doing a morning meeting with 5 people you love and finishing the day with 4. Am I giving up on him? Am I selfish? Am I becoming the thing I sought out to destroy? But he stole, he lied, he cheated, and he failed to implement the feedback. Does that mean you just give up on him? But it's hurting the business. It's hurting the team morale. You sometimes don't look forward to running the business because you feel like you're dragging an anchor uphill. But how can I go to bed knowing that after all these weeks and months, this person you wanted to succeed, you just let go? Sometimes you don't. You just lose the sleep because you care. You're a human. Don't beat yourself up for feeling these emotions of sympathy. Being a leader sucks, man. It does, sometimes. But you wouldn't be doing anything else, would you? No. You can still call him tomorrow. You can still be friends with him. This does not mean goodbye, never look at me again. That's how society trained you to treat people in this situation. You can still love him. Hang out with them if you really want to. But at the end of the day, just look at your current team members, the ones who never put doubt in your soul. Serve them. Serve the mission the company stands for. And if God wills, make some money. And if you feel bad you are rich, you can always give it back. Goodbye, blank, wrote his name there. I hope you can forgive me if I fell short as a leader. What if I'm not a good enough leader? What if I could have been able to do more? Maybe so. But here's the thing. You're only as good as a leader as well as your team hits their goals. So if some of your people on your team hit their goals, then you are good enough for them. Continue as usual. But if someone is not working out and failing, then you are not good enough to lead them. Try again. Do your best. But if your best is still not enough, they deserve someone better. So if you let them go, at least try to find peace in that they might find a leader better equipped to extract their highest potential. I know, so this is a little bit of a different video, but sometimes being on the ground is brutal. So I hope this is somewhat helpful. And if you'd like more content like this, let me know by subscribing and leave a comment below with what your thoughts are. I'd love to actually kind of talk this over with somebody a bit deeper. So leave a comment. Would love to kind of engage with what your thoughts are. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next.